Yeah, organizations like Harvesters need your help now more than ever to feed people. Let's get to Sarah Biles joining us this midday to talk about that need. Good morning, Sarah. It's just devastating to see that need.
Exactly. And the need was already, we thought, fairly high before all of this happened, but now increase in need. Our network of agencies that we work with throughout our 26 county service area are indicating that they're seeing anywhere from 30 to 40% or even higher in an increase in demand.
Sarah, I'm guessing that this is kind of like burning the candle at both ends, because I'm sure that not only the people that need food has gone up, but your ability to get some of these donations, some other food has gone up. Talk about how it's even harder to acquire food to give to people right now.
Exactly. It is unfortunately kind of a perfect storm because we're seeing the increase in demand from people, from families and seniors and their children that need help. But we're also having some new challenges as far as acquiring food. One of those is the fact that we can't have the number of volunteers that we normally have. Normally, we rely on about 6,000 volunteers a month. And because of social distancing, we've had to significantly decrease the number that we're able to have, only having about 30 per shift currently. And so we're not able to process as much food, which is then forcing us to have to buy food so that we have food to meet the need. And that's, of course, costing us a lot more money. And we are also seeing some increase in difficulty getting the food, as grocery stores and others are all trying to get kind of the same food. So the supply line is a little challenging as far as getting stuff in a timely manner.
So, Sarah, if people do want to help, if they are able to, the grocery store is a place we're trying to go to as sparingly as we can these days. Would you prefer people pick up groceries and drop them off? Do you even have those bins, or are you guys preferring financial donations right now?
We're really preferring financial donations. I think that's easier for everyone involved. Of course, we do still have some barrels in the grocery store. So if you are in the grocery store when you go out, please feel free to donate in those barrels and we'll pick them up. But it's really easier and more efficient for us to use financial donations right now so that we're able to purchase the food that we need.
Sarah, I don't think people are going to stop going to ask for food just because of the threat of possibly getting any kind of virus exposure necessarily. But can you tell us about the efforts that Harvesters is doing to make sure all the food that you're giving out is as clean as possible, is as hygienic as possible for people that might be concerned about that?
Sure. Well, food safety is always a high priority for us, always has been in the past. Of course, we've implemented some new measures since all of this began, as far as making sure that our volunteers, when they come in, and our staff, when they come in, their hands are washed, wearing masks, etc. And of course, our facility is being cleaned multiple times a day. So we really feel like that food is safe as it's going out, and there really hasn't been significant or any data to show that any of this is really transported via food.
All right, that's Sarah Biles joining us today from Harvesters. Sarah, thank you so much for your time. Again, you heard her say there, if you'd like to help, if you'd like to donate, financial donations are what help the most right now. So if you have a way to help Harvesters, please do so. Sarah, thank you for your time today.